Hey everybody!
Welcome.
Hi, welcome back to What Sold with Dustin and Michelle.
Yeah, welcome. We are showing you today what is sold on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and we can't wait to show you because we have lots of fun stuff. Alright, so let's go over to the media room really quick because we also have puzzles in there, and we had a really awesome sale on Poshmark. We had a bundle together of 4 different puzzles and sealed video games. Now in here we keep our media nice and stored, and here are the puzzles and all that. So we had 4 of them going out on Poshmark. We made a bundle for $40, $10 a piece. We have originals trilogy Star Wars 3-in-1 panoramic puzzle, and you'll remember us finding this, in our neighborhood thrift store in this video, and we picked it up maybe for a couple of dollars. Also, we have sequence letters, brand new and sealed. I picked this up back in Minnesota somewhere. We have an antique world map 1,000-piece puzzle, honey, that I think you found at Goodwill at one point. As well as this My Treasure box of horses, new sealed, sort of like activity thing. So going out to a happy collector, and they're going to have hours of fun with all this stuff for $40 plus shipping. So we're really grateful to get that all out, and we'll pick that stuff in just a little bit. So we'll move on to some more sales on Poshmark, and this one is a more likely sale, I would say, because this is clothing, and this is a new with tags, Adore Me black strappy back 98 Nikon pajamas, and those are in bin C3, and those sold for $21.
C3.
Yeah, so right over here, honey, we got C3.
Here we go.
Up one.
Okay. Cool.
And these are size small, new tags.
Oh, okay.
And you had quite a few different.
I think it's this one.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Quite a few different sizes, all new tags. So you must have found those somewhere. Like retail arbitrage or something.
I did. I bought a bunch of them.
Okay.
And slowly selling them. Been good.
Yeah, no, they've been selling pretty good once you got them listed. So very grateful for that. $21. Nice. And here is one more sale that is not very likely on Poshmark. And we're going to find these in bin G2 over here. Now, this is a pair of Everlast traditional red laceless youth size boxing gloves. So G2 right over here, if I see them. I found these in the Goodwill bins back in Minnesota once again, and you know they've been sitting around for about 1.5 years now, at least. But these went out on Poshmark for $10 plus shipping, so really grateful because in the bins by weight, I couldn't have paid more than $1 or so for them, so not so bad. I had those listed on eBay, and then we started using this perfectly to like merge all of our listings when we moved in together, and now we're selling weird stuff on Poshmark, so but we're not surprised. So get those listings to different eyes. List perfectly makes it really easy, and use our code down below to get 30% off your first month. So we'll move on to some more cross-listing items, and that's on Mercari. So I started this. You'll remember us finding this actually in a YouTube short that we did where we found some free stuff on the side of the road. So here's another free item. This is a Soldier of Fortune magazine. Now this is really cool because this one has Arnold Schwarzenegger on the front, on the cover. And this was from the movie Commando, if you remember that from back in the 80s. Now that is one of my favorite movies, I think, of all time. Like, don't you kidnap my daughter. You know what I'm saying? That's
Yeah, please don't.
Yeah, right. No, oh my gosh. Great movie. This vintage magazine with that on the cover sold for $14.25 on Mercari. So super grateful. We're gonna find that over here somewhere. We got a bookstore, the magazines and stuff like that. I'll pull that out later. So we're gonna move on to eBay because we had quite a few sales on eBay, and this one we'll find in bin Y4, honey. So Y4, we'll find a Rabbit Goo cat harness.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and that actually is something that you pulled out of inventory to maybe give to our cat Pico.
Yeah, I did. Oh, where is it here? Okay, under the Hummel. Here we go.
All right. There it is. But we actually had a couple of them, so we left that in inventory, and it sold for $11.99 plus shipping. And that's on eBay.
I ended up with 2 of them because I bought 2 of them for the cats, both of them.
Oh, nice.
One I tried and the other one I didn't. So, anyways.
Yeah, Luna doesn't need a leash. She is just fine on her own. In fact, she's up here somewhere.
Queen
and
Luna.
when we find her, we will definitely show her
I'm wearing
to you.
Cat.
Yes, I know. And you got this cute vintage cat t-shirt on. This is so adorable. It's like brush painted, I believe. So
This was a single stitch one that we found in
is.
almost
Look it up.
perfect condition. It's beautiful, beautiful.
Yep.
But look what happened. We watched it and it bled.
it did on the back
See,
there.
so be careful when you buy these single stitch t-shirts too, because I'm keeping it because actually someone bought it and then returned it because of that, and I was like, I don't care, I like to keep it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's the cutest t-shirt. It looks great on you, honey. And
Thanks.
yeah, we'll enjoy it then. So over here in bin C3, we're gonna find a Michael Kors one-piece strappy back swimsuit newer tags, and that's like a peach or red color, and that went for $19.99 plus shipping.
Oh, I love this color. This is one of those colors that was like really hard to explain. This is Michael Kors.
Yeah.
I wanted to say fruit punch. It's a fruit punch color.
Right? Yeah.
Michael Kors.
Unfortunately,
Can't go wrong.
unfortunately, eBay doesn't have a fruit punch option, so you got to choose like red or orange or something. Unfortunately, but we're gonna move on because here is another red item. Now this is something that I had actually put my toys in, like literally this piece. I put my He-Man characters in when I was younger. So this is a vintage Mattel 1984 Masters of the Universe collector's vinyl case. So I'm gonna find that over here. And this thing, oh my gosh, it is smushed, you know, it is crunched. It doesn't even have the trays. I played those He-Man hard, let me tell you. And somebody still needs this to, you know, put theirs in. So, yeah, right here. It's completely smushed. There's like stuff on it and everything, but you know, like I said,
Somebody will get it, they'll fix it and do whatever they do, their magic.
Exactly. Somebody has the trays or something already, and they'll make it.
Sweet,
Yeah,
babe.
this one right here is, yeah, it was. You know, I figured, you know, I just really don't need these things anymore. I want to pass them on to somebody who wants to collect these things. Yeah. And, you know, I just want, you know, to pass on the joy, I guess. So here we go.
Feel a little lighter.
Yeah. So $12.99 plus shipping.
Awesome.
It'll go for a lot more if they're in better shape and have the trays for sure. And we'll move on now. Also selling on eBay is something that we'd really love to pick up because they sell. Just like a baseball jersey. Speaking of that, we went to the Yankees game last night. Oh my gosh, it was so awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, having hot dogs at Yankee Stadium, I mean, it can't get any better than that if you're a baseball fan. Oh my gosh. And so stay tuned for a little bit of footage on that too. So, but this here is a soccer jersey. Now these things sell pretty quickly, okay? And so we definitely recommend you doing your research on those. And this one is an elite Ecuador national football soccer jersey, size medium. So anytime I find an adult size soccer jersey, I really love to pick them up now because we're starting to list them and they sell very nicely, especially the ones from Mexico, the Mexico team. Oh my gosh, yeah, those I can get a few more dollars for. So this one right here, a nice bright yellow, super nice. So that's awesome, $21.99. And let's see, that took, actually this one took a little bit longer to sell, like maybe 6 months or so, but even still, what do we get it for, like $1 or $2 probably? All right, guys, and this last item just sort of blows our mind, and it's in a much more temperature-controlled environment because it's candy. And it's a little warm up here, so we left them downstairs, but you'll remember us finding these in a very recent retail arbitrage video where we went to Walmart the day after Easter and picked up a bunch of candy that was on sale, including these Reese's Peanut Butter Cups that are marshmallow topped. And it's obviously somebody's favorite candy. They ran out and they're like, oh my gosh, where do I find these? Oh, right here, we got them. And we picked them up for maybe like $2 a bag or so when they were on sale. And somebody bought 3 bags. Now we put a discount pricing if you bought quantity on these. So we gave them a 15% discount for buying 3. And they still sold for $21.99 per bag plus shipping. So we got a total of $65.97 total plus shipping. for 3 bags of candy that we paid like $6 for. Guys, we can't really say much more than, you know, do your research after, you know, when you see those candies on sale. Oh my gosh. We're so grateful for each and every sale during this slow summertime. And my gosh, we're gonna keep on keeping on. That's all
Buy
you can
more
do,
fans.
right? Yeah, buy more fans. Swimsuits, all those things that are keeping people cool. That's what we need to do at the summertime. So you guys, oh my gosh, thank you so much for stopping by, and we really appreciate it.
Good luck this week. We can't wait to touch base with you guys and find out what you have found.
Yeah.
Flip for a profit.
Absolutely. Let us know in the comments here, and congratulations. That's up to you.
Good workout. A long time.
Which happens? I am the ball. And you made your decision yet?